Greetings! Today I would like to try a recipe that I saw recently. Sausages with cheese wrapped in pita bread. I tried to improve the recipe for those who are vegetarians and do not eat meat. Pita, rectangular, trim off the excess, making it along the length of the sausages. There is also no need to use pita bread that is too long, so by wrapping our products in it, you can trim off the excess. Grate the cheese on a coarse grater. For the vegetarian version, instead of sausages, we use mushrooms. Chop finely and fry for a few minutes. Put sausage and cheese on pita bread. As I said before, we don't need to wrap too much. Here we would need to trim off a little extra pita bread. The second version is mushrooms with cheese. For the next version without sausages, in addition to mushrooms, I also took peas and corn. And the last option, I tried to make a completely vegetarian roll, without cheese. Write what you think can be used here instead of cheese. For our rolls, we make a mixture in which we will fry eggs, dried herbs to taste, salt, pepper. Fry our rolls, dipped in egg mixture, in a frying pan for a couple of minutes on each side. Tell us what city and country you are watching this recipe from, so that I can say hello to you in the next videos. The rolls are easy to make and taste cheesy and delicious. And this is an option with mushrooms and cheese. A little longer in time, since the mushrooms need to be fried a little, but you won't regret it. Option with corn and peas and cheese. And the last option without cheese. To be honest, I like the options with cheese better, but there are people who don't eat cheese. Write what you think. What can replace cheese in our rolls? If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is very important for the growing of the channel. Thanks for watching.